The worksheets we've been working with in Excel have had small amounts of data, but as you continue to use Excel, you may be faced with much larger data sets. This can make it difficult to find the information you're looking for, especially if the data is not in any particular order. Excel provides a feature you can use to organize your data and order it in a way that makes it easier to find what you need. This feature is called sorting. When you sort data, you reorder the values in a range of cells based on the values in one or more columns. You can reorder data from the lowest value to the highest or from the highest to the lowest. If your data contains headers, you can sort the data and Excel will leave the headers where they are. Sorting from lowest value to the highest is called ascending order. In Excel, ascending order is expressed as A to Z for text, smallest to largest for numbers, and oldest to newest for dates. Sorting from the highest value to the lowest is called descending order. In Excel, descending order is expressed as Z to A for text, largest to smallest for numbers, and newest to oldest for dates. In this example, we see product names. The left table is in ascending order by the name, while the right table is in descending order. If you look at the product list we've been working with, can you determine which column it's sorted by and in which order, ascending or descending? Yep, it's sorted by the item number column in ascending order from 1 to 7. The pencils product is item number 1, and the tape dispensers are item number 7. In this view of the list, I have reordered the data in ascending order by the product name. Notice how the item numbers are not in order anymore. But if you look for the pencils product in row 7, you'll see that the item number is still 1. All the values for the pencils product are still in the row. In this view, I have reordered the data in descending order by the discount column. Now we can easily find the highest discounted product and all its details. Notice, though, that there are 2 products with a 2% discount, pencils and tape dispensers. How did Excel know what order to put these in? It actually didn't. But we can tell Excel what to do by specifying more than one column in our sort. In this example, I have sorted the data in ascending order by the discount column and by the sale price in descending order within rows that have duplicate discount values. This is a multiple column sort. So now that you understand the concept of sorting, let's sort some data in Excel.